Hi, I'm Josh with iMoto Bank, and I'm here with this 2016 Nissan Pathfinder SV. It only has 9,000 miles on it, one original owner. It's got a set of 4 matching Michelin tires that are quite nice on it. It's got new brakes. It's a really nice car, it's in great shape. You can see here the black cloth interior. No major tears or rips. Seats fold forward. There's actually a lot of legroom. I'm almost 6'4" and I sat in the back seat and it was fine. It's got the 3rd row seat, which is quite nice. We've got family that's looking for a little extra room. Show you this side. There was one owner, but they did have a little scuff right here, so needs to be pointed out. But again, the inside looks great. It's got the rear controls for the heat and the climate controls. Really nice cockpit here, plenty of room. It does have a roof rack, so you can put anything you want up there. Driving blemishes, but otherwise it's in great shape. So let's take it for a test drive. With this car, you can actually put it into 2-wheel drive, or you can put it into 4-wheel drive. Right here you have the dials for that. We also have 3 garage door openers right in the mirror. Push start, which is a really nice feature. It has the backup camera, help you as you're backing out of tight spots or trying to parallel park in the city. It's got a nice display here where you could see everything that's going on. It does have sonar to help you if you're trying to pull into some tight spot. All the climate control down here, and the music and entertainment. It's got everything you can need. So let's see how it sounds as we take it down the road here. We're behind the UPS truck, so I can't give it any gas right now, but we'll turn on to this private road here in a second. We'll see what it does. You can see all the bumps in the road, but it handles really well. This is not the Pathfinder of 5 or 10 years ago. Turn right here and we'll open it up a little bit. It's got pretty good pickup and pretty good braking. As I said, it has new brakes on it. It just feels nice and smooth. Sounds good. Swing around here. Again, this is a Nissan Pathfinder SV with only 9,109 miles on it. You can't beat that. Joe, tell them how to get in touch with us if they want this car.
Absolutely. You can give us a call at 617-538-2099. Again, that's 617-538-2099.
Thank you. Have a good day.